Ruining an expensive cut of meat is an absolute tragedy, but guessing the temperature doesn't have to be your only option. Today, we are putting an end to dry, overcooked brisket and raw, rubbery chicken forever. We are counting down from number 5 to the absolute best unit on the market, and I promise you, the thermometer that took the number 1 spot completely changed how I look at wireless grilling. Number 5, ThermoPro TP829. Right out of the box, this unit feels like a traditional powerhouse because it comes with 4 separate color-coded probes and a dedicated remote receiver. The idea here is that you can monitor 4 different pieces of meat at once, which is a massive advantage when you are cooking for a large crowd or dealing with different cuts of meat simultaneously. During my testing, having that dedicated receiver meant I did not have to constantly drain my phone battery or keep opening an app while checking on the smoker outside. However, the term wireless here comes with a massive asterisk that you need to be intensely aware of before making a purchase. While the receiver is wireless and allows you to walk away from the grill, the probes themselves are still attached to the transmitter base via braided metal cables. When I was setting up a complex smoke with multiple racks of ribs, weaving 4 separate cables through the smoker door was incredibly frustrating and quickly led to a tangled, greasy mess. Another major issue I ran into during my long weekend cooks was the overall clunkiness of the transmitter and receiver design. The plastic feels a bit cheap in the hand, and navigating the menus to set custom temperatures for each individual probe is far from intuitive. You have to press a combination of physical buttons multiple times to adjust your target temps, which is a stark, jarring contrast to the smooth app-based interfaces we have come to expect today. Furthermore, while ThermoPro advertises a staggering 1,000-foot range, that number drops off dramatically the moment you introduce real-world obstacles like doors and windows. Number 4, Ninja Meat Thermometer, ProChef. Ninja has been making massive waves in the kitchen appliance space for years, and their entry into the true wireless thermometer market is certainly ambitious. This probe is completely wire-free, slipping directly into your steak or roast, and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth to give you real-time temperature updates without any cables hanging out of your oven. When I first tested the ProChef on a thick-cut bone-in ribeye, I was genuinely impressed by the dual sensor technology built into the device. It reads both the internal temperature of the meat and the ambient temperature of the grill, which is theoretically perfect for achieving that edge-to-edge medium rare. The build quality of the probe itself feels robust, and it handled the high heat of my outdoor searing station without flinching or throwing any sudden error codes. Unfortunately, the software experience completely undermines the hardware's potential and creates a very frustrating cooking environment. The companion app feels like it was rushed out the door, featuring a very basic layout and noticeably sluggish response times when you are trying to navigate through the menus. While I was monitoring that expensive ribeye, the app would freeze for minutes at a time, forcing me to force close and restart it just to get an accurate reading, which is incredibly stressful when seconds matter on a hot grill. The physical design of the probe also presents a pretty significant drawback for anyone cooking smaller or thinner cuts of meat on a Tuesday night. The ProChef probe is noticeably thicker than many of its direct competitors, and pushing it into a standard chicken breast or a thinner pork chop left a gaping hole that allowed precious juices to escape. Three, ThermoPro 650. This is ThermoPro's excellent answer to the truly wireless revolution, featuring a completely wire-free probe that connects seamlessly to a sleek, standalone booster block. This booster block acts as a bridge between the probe and your smartphone, effectively amplifying the Bluetooth signal to give you a much wider, more reliable roaming range around your house and yard. During my testing, the setup process was incredibly seamless and genuinely user-friendly right from the start. I simply pulled the probe from the charging block, inserted it into a whole roasting chicken, and the smartphone app instantly recognized the device without any tedious pairing menus or Wi-Fi passwords. The application itself is bright, intuitive, and offers a wealth of USDA-approved preset temperatures for almost any type of meat you can imagine, taking all the guesswork out of the equation for beginners. What really impressed me was the supreme reliability of the extended Bluetooth range provided by the booster station. Unlike the previous entries on this list, the booster block maintained a rock-solid connection to my phone even when I walked upstairs to the completely opposite side of my house. The booster was sitting right next to the kitchen oven, pulling the signal through the heavy oven door and sending it flawlessly to my device, allowing me to prep side dishes without a drop of anxiety. The accuracy of both the internal and ambient sensors was perfectly spot on during multiple rigorous test cooks. When I verified the readings with a high-end calibrated instant read thermometer, the ThermoPro 650 was consistently within 1 single degree of the true temperature. This kind of exacting precision gave me the confidence to step away from the kitchen entirely and trust that my alarm would go off at the exact perfect moment. Number 2. Meter Plus. This is a device that has rightfully earned its stellar reputation. If you have spent any time looking into wireless meat thermometers, you have absolutely heard of Meter, and for very good reason. This specific device essentially pioneered the true wireless category, and the Plus version masterfully addresses the range issues of the original model by turning the handsome wooden charging block into a powerful Bluetooth repeater. The standout feature of the Meter Plus, without a shadow of a doubt, is its incredibly intelligent companion app. When I threw a 12-pound brisket on the smoker for a daunting overnight cook, the Meter app acted as my personal digital pitmaster. It doesn't just show you the current temperature. It uses an advanced predictive algorithm to estimate exactly how long your meat needs to cook and how long it needs to rest, updating dynamically as the ambient temperature naturally shifts. The design of the probe is incredibly elegant and noticeably slimmer than many of its competitors, making it an incredibly versatile tool. I was able to effortlessly slide it into delicate fish fillets and thin skirt steaks without completely destroying the physical structure of the meat. The seamless stainless steel and ceramic construction isn't just visually appealing, it makes cleaning the probe incredibly easy with just a quick scrub under warm, soapy water. Connection stability is where the Meter Plus really shines in a challenging backyard cooking environment. By magnetically attaching the wooden repeater block directly to the side of my metal smoker, it grabbed the weak signal from inside the cooking chamber and blasted it perfectly to my phone sitting on the patio table. I never experienced a single dropout during my entire 14-hour brisket cook, which gave me immense peace of mind while I slept. Number 1. Typhur Sync Gold. While the other thermometers on this list are genuinely great tools, the Typhur Sync Gold feels like a piece of advanced scientific equipment that was accidentally released to the general public. It completely redefines what is possible in the wireless thermometer space, offering magnificent dual probes and a revolutionary base station that completely changes the barbecue game. The level of precision this device offers is simply unmatched by absolutely anything else I have ever tested on this channel. During a complex reverse sear test on a massive prime rib, I monitored the temperatures closely, and the Typhur sensors were reacting with lightning speed, updating in real time with zero noticeable lag. It brilliantly utilizes multiple sensors along the shaft of the probe to find the true thermal center of your meat, ensuring you never accidentally undercook the core. What makes the Typhur Sync Gold truly spectacular, however, is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity located right inside the base station. Instead of relying solely on Bluetooth like every other device on this list, the base station connects directly to your home network, meaning you have literally unlimited range. I actually drove to the grocery store to grab more charcoal while my pork butt was smoking, and I was able to watch the temperature safely climb on my phone from miles away without a single interruption. The physical design of the base station is an absolute joy to use and behold. It features a stunning, crystal-clear digital display that shows you the exact temperature of both probes simultaneously, meaning you don't even need to open your phone if you are standing nearby. The base is rugged, weather-resistant, and serves as a highly protective charging case that keeps both probes fully topped up and ready for your next massive cookout.